Okay, today is May 29th, 2018, Monday, and we're looking here at the National Hurricane Center map, and this is Alberto right here, which has moved into Alabama over the holiday weekend. And we can see here on the Intellicast Doppler map that there's quite a bit of rain right here around that center, which is affecting several states. We have a huge frontal system here, which is sweeping down into the Gulf of Mexico. We see a lot of rain around this entire area, and this is a 999 millibar system according to that Hurricane Center map right here. You can see the stats: 30-mile-per-hour winds, 999 millibar central pressure, moving north at 12 miles per hour. All right, so let's go over and take a look at the West Coast. We have chemtrail haze in the skies this morning for the first time in several days over the LA basin. So here is the this is the East Pacific water vapor loop. Let's take a look at that first of all. You can see a big low pressure system just immediately to the northwest of the Hawaiian Islands. This has a right angle imprint, a rectangular imprint right here. We can see that. And we see that there's a blockade engineered right here. This is a man-made transmitter generated blockade, which is preventing any moisture from moving right towards that vortex, which is right here. And then we have the Hawaiian Islands right there. And if we take a look, let me get the other map pulled up here. Meanwhile, we'll take a look at some of the other maps. So we have this blockade engineered. Look what's happening over here. We have a mid and upper level low right off of Southern California. The moisture from this is streaming into Southern California. Let's look at the next maps. This is the western U.S. Water vapor loop. We can see the counterclockwise rotation. And here in the infrared map, we can see the moisture streaming in, but yet there's zero rain. If we take a look here, let's zoom in and look at the Southern California and Southwest U.S. There's nothing, zero rain. And so looking at the pressure maps here real quick, we can see that we've got low pressure in this area. And there's a lot of squiggly lines. We can see that. We have a high indicated out here over the Pacific, the Eastern Pacific. So we've got the low pressure here at the surface level. But looking at the 500 millibar, we see the low pressure right here. And we have squiggly lines. That's manipulation by transmitters. We can see these jaggies on those isobars. Next, looking at the 300 millibar map, we see all sorts of strange looking things here. Look at this. And so we have the chemtrail haze in addition to the transmitter manipulation. And that has stopped the precipitation from this low pressure system sitting right offshore of Los Angeles. So we have, once again, we've got opportunities for rain. And we can see the low pressure right here, which is all blockaded, by the way. If we go back to the bigger map, we can see that this entire low has been blockaded. It's surrounded by high pressure in this area, so that none of this moisture can feed into that low. Same thing down here. We've got some Pineapple Express tropical moisture moving right into Mexico. None of that is making its way to this low. Higher pressure should flow to lower pressure, which the center of that is right there. That's not happening. So we've got manipulation around this system. We've got manipulation around this big weather system out here just northwest of those islands. Taking a look here at the infrared map, we can see that the moisture here is being sort of blocked by this area right here. So we've got a surrounding high pressure area around this low and also right through here. And getting to the, going back to that Intellicast map, we can zoom out, take a look at the Hawaiian Islands and see what's going on. Zoom in and take a look. So it looks like the big island is getting some rain right down here where Kilauea is erupting right down here. There's some heavier rain. And then we see that right angle imprint right here. This is the center of that low just immediately to the northwest of Kauai right here. rather just to the west actually of Kauai right there, and we can see that sort of a rectangular imprint. So the islands are getting some rain. That's good. All right, getting back to the west coast, we can see a low pressure system right over Nebraska and the Dakotas right here, and also Colorado and Montana. We didn't get any rain out of that, just a little bit of drizzle when this system moved through Southern California. So there it is, just a short update. We'll just leave it right here. Actually, we'll leave it right here. This is a better shot. You can see that low delivering moisture into Southern California, no rain. And we have this huge low right out here. Okay, that's it.